reasons mindfulness helps you grow as a person. Everyone is familiar with the physical cycle of life. You are born, grow, and eventually die. During the growth stage, you grow mentally and emotionally, not just physically. Mindfulness is one of the best ways to help you in all parts of the growth phase. Here are 3 specific reasons that mindfulness helps you grow as a person. 3 reasons mindfulness helps you grow. 1. Makes you a better learner. Many people assume that learning is done in a classroom when you are young. Although this is a form of learning, we as humans are designed to learn throughout our entire lives. From the time we are 2 years old until the day we die, we are constantly learning about our world, ourselves, and those around us. To get the most out of life, we must enhance our learning abilities. By doing so, we can have better careers, more fulfilling personal lives, and better understand our loved ones and the world in general. Many people assume that learning capabilities are something you are born with. This is not true. There are things you can do to make you a better learner. Studies show that mindfulness increases the density of gray matter in the brain regions associated with learning, memory, and focus. As a result, it allows you to better focus on topics, comprehend the material, and recall it at a later date, thereby making you a better learner. 2. Increases compassion. As humans, we are naturally driven to care for those we love, as well as other humans in general. One sign of immaturity is the lack of compassion and empathy for other people. As we get older, our compassion often increases since we learn that life is not as straightforward as it once appeared in our youth. For this reason, increasing compassion is a way to help you grow. Luckily, mindfulness is one way that you can actively increase your compassion and altruism. Studies show that mindfulness increases activity in the brain regions associated with compassion and emotion regulation. As you become more compassionate and able to regulate your emotions, you can help those around you better. This allows you to grow into a human being that is more helpful for society. More so, studies also suggest that mindfulness increases self-compassion. Self-compassion is important for factors such as resilience and satisfaction with life. The more self-compassionate you are, the more you are able to grow, learn from your mistakes, and enjoy your life. 3. Increases resilience. Resilience is one's ability to bounce back from tough and difficult situations. This is something that is not easy by nature. To grow into the best version of yourself, you must learn how to become resilient. Mindfulness increases your resilience because it increases self-compassion and promotes optimistic thinking. As you become more self-compassionate, you are able to give yourself a break and understand that you are only human. As a result, you are gentler with yourself, allowing you to overcome adverse situations more easily. Similarly, optimistic thinking allows you to not be bogged down by negative thoughts and feelings about your life and self. As you become more optimistic, you'll become more resilient to any challenge that you might face. Final thoughts. In conclusion, growth is a necessary but difficult aspect of life. Mindfulness is a great way to grow your mental and emotional abilities since it makes you a better learner, increases compassion, and increases resilience. As a result, the more mindful you are, the more you will grow into the person you are supposed to be.